Found a KNT temporary file from Microsoft OneNote and wondering if it contains important data. These working files are created during note editing operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these OneNote temporary files safely. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult KNT files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. A user searching for this file is likely trying to recover unsaved work from Microsoft OneNote. These files are created as temporary backups or cache files during an active session and are not meant for direct user interaction, but can sometimes contain recoverable data after a program crash. The KNT file is a proprietary binary format used by OneNote to temporarily store note data before it's committed to the main OneNotebook file. This design ensures data integrity and quick access during editing sessions, minimizing the risk of corruption to the primary notebook file during a write operation. To gain full access to KNT, the application needed is Microsoft OneNote from Microsoft Corporation. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows often marks temporary files as disposable, letting cleanup utilities handle them. To bypass the default application error, right-click the KNT file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft OneNote if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. When a KNT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, letting OneNote manage files. Allow Microsoft OneNote to manage KNT files automatically without manual intervention. The application creates and removes temporary files as needed during normal operation. Manual deletion of active KNT files may cause data loss or sync issues, so leave them in place while OneNote is running. Next, cleaning orphaned files. If KNT files remain after OneNote crashes or improper shutdowns, close OneNote completely and restart the application. OneNote typically cleans up orphaned temporary files automatically. For persistent files, clear the OneNote cache through File, then Options, then Save and Backup to remove temporary data. Finally, recovering lost notes. If notes were lost during a crash check, the OneNote backup folder typically at App Data, local Microsoft OneNote for recent backup copies. While KNT files cannot be opened directly, OneNote may use them for automatic recovery on next launch, displaying recovered content for review and restoration to your notebooks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.